Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. To understand the concept very clearly, please watch the video till the end. Once you are done with watching the video, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Today we will learn about do until loops. Let's have a look at its definition. It says it executes the statements repetitively till the time given condition becomes true, meaning till the time the given condition is false, it will keep on executing the statement. The moment given condition becomes true, it will stop executing the iteration, or it will stop the iteration. So this we will understand with an example as we progress. For now, let's have a look at its syntax structure. So its syntax structure is same as do while loop. It starts with do until, then provide the expression and then the statement and end. So there are, before we proceed further, there are few highlight points about do until which we need to focus upon over here. First is the expression is evaluated at the bottom of the loop after the statement in the do loop have been executed. So first the statement gets executed and then the expression is evaluated. This is what this point wants to say over here. Next point is, if the expression is true, the do loop does not iterate again. So the moment this expression, whatever expression you provide over here, the moment this expression becomes true, the loop stops over here. While in do while loop, the moment the given expression becomes false, it stops. But here the condition is different. Let's look at the last point. The do loop always iterates at least once. Now let's take an example where we have to create a table with a counter variable x which should contain the value 1, 2 and 3. For that we're going to write this kind of syntax: data, testing and x. This x is a dummy variable which would initially contain a value 1. Then your do until statement will come over here. Do until is the part of syntax. This is the expression which you want to give. You want to say continue the iteration until x becomes greater than 3. The moment x becomes greater than 3, the condition will become true and the iteration will stop. So this is how do until works, and this is what its definition wanted to say over here. All right, it says till the time given condition becomes true. So till the time x becomes greater than 3, it will keep on executing. It will start from x, so x equals to 1, and that it will keep on executing it until x becomes greater than 3. Now we will see the summary and difference between do while and do until loops, so that we could have very clear understanding about these two type of loops. So let's have a look one by one. First we're gonna see the comparison. We're gonna see the points in do while loop and then we will compare with do until. So let's look at the first point. It says it iterates till the time condition is true. All right, as we have discussed in the previous lecture. So, and here in do until it says it iterates till the time condition becomes true. So the difference is, here it iterates till the time condition is true. When the condition is true, then it will iterate. Here, when the condition will become true, it will stop. So this is the difference we need to be careful about, right? So what it says over here, we need to understand. Now let's have a look at its syntax. First, do while. So here if you see, it says do while x less than or equals to 3. So here we are asking continue the loop till the time x is less than or equals to 3, meaning we are saying to continue the loop till the time this condition is true. But when it comes to do until, here we are saying do until x becomes greater than 3. The moment x becomes greater than 3, we are saying SAS stop the loop. So this is the point which we need to note over here. Now next thing which comes, the expression is evaluated at the top of the loop before the statement in the do loop are executed. So before this statement executes, the expression is evaluated, while in do until, the expression is evaluated at the bottom of the loop after the statement in the do loop have been executed. So this is the second difference. Next, if the expression is false the first time it is evaluated, meaning when do while loop starts and if it finds the expression is false, it will not even execute for the once. It will never execute. The do loop does not iterate even once. Let's come to the do until and see. If the expression is true, the do loop does not iterate again. So the moment the given condition becomes true, it stops the iteration. The do loop always iterates at least once. So this is how we can summarize and see the difference between do while and do until loops. I just hope that we made the point clear. Just in case if you got any kind of doubt, do not forget to put your doubt in the comment section and we will definitely get back to you. Till the time, wish you very good luck and thank you very much for watching the video.